This video shows you how to install a Broan FG110HBS upgrade grill with dimmable LED and adjustable colored lighting. For compatibilities, go to the Broan-NuTone.com website. First, what you're going to use is a regular screwdriver, and basically you can go in between the grill and the lens and pry the lens cover off. It pops right off. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to locate inside that grill. If you have a light bulb, unscrew that light bulb, find the acorn nut and unscrew that acorn nut. That acorn nut is actually holding that light reflector and grill. Both light reflector and grill will come down at the same time. All you're going to do is unplug that light reflector. Next, grab that new upgrade grill and take it out of the box. That upgrade grill has different color settings for you for all needs of different color lighting. Take it out of the packaging, pull it out of the protective foam. On the back side of the grill, you'll notice there's a little bolt. Remove the bolt and set aside. There is a dip switch for the 3 different color levels. Select whichever color level you like. Next, what you can do is you can grab that regular screwdriver again, go in between the grill and the lens, and just pry that lens cover off. You can now go ahead and you can take that grill and find the plug and plug it into the receptacle. Once plugged in, take note that there's a screw bolt that you are going to line the hole in the grill with, and you're going to grab that bolt that you took off that grill previously. You're going to slide it up into that grill and onto that long screw on that fan partition plate. You can take that bolt and you can screw it so it's tight and the grill is tight and flush to the ceiling. Once that grill is tight, you can go ahead and grab that light lens and you can snap it back in just by pushing on it. And that's all it is. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.